3 different agents. The first 2 are 2 different cuts of a ServiceNow agent.
Copilot Agent Teams-based assistant for streamlining IT ticketing.
So we decided to do a concierge agent, and basically what it will do is help users find information.
Today, we really focused on our lifecycle management agent.
We are Team Huron, and we're excited to introduce you to Accelerate AI.
What if ServiceNow releases this functionality?
What makes your approach unique?
When the bot misclassify a ticket.
Who's ready to hear the winners?